Fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. Welcome to slbynaenglish. The cat is hiding under the table. The cat is hiding under the table. She walked through the park to get home. She walked through the park to get home. He will arrive at 5 p.m. He will arrive at 5 p.m. The keys are in the drawer. The keys are in the drawer. We have been waiting at the bus stop for an hour. We have been waiting at the bus stop for an hour. He is going on vacation next week. He is going on vacation next week. The picture is hanging on the wall. The picture is hanging on the wall. She placed the book on the table. She placed the book on the table. I have lived in this city for 5 years. I have lived in this city for 5 years. The kids are playing in the garden. The kids are playing in the garden. Learn these sentences. Okay, bye.